Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, like always, I haven't changed my fibs or anything because everything's still standing in place from before. So just from this swing right here, so it looked, let's just move this fibs a little bit. Let's try this. I kind of like that one better. Yeah, this looks a lot better. So from this swing right here, we are still holding above this 23% retracement, which is good. As long as we're holding here, I'm not too concerned. I think a worst case scenario that we could see in Bitcoin is going all the way down here to at about 8,500 or so. We gotta see where the 200-day moving average and how long it takes, because as you can see, the 200-day moving average keeps creeping up, which as long as we're holding above the 200-day moving average right here, the 8,400 excuse me, dollar level, we're in good shape. We are encountering a lot of resistance at the $9,600 level. It's probably because it has something to do with this bigger fib from this swing right here. From the previous all-time high to all the way down to about 3,100 or so. So that's why we're encountering a lot of resistance at the $9,600 level around there. Now, as I've said before, we will get very bullish if we pass 10.5. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way we're going to help out 7 billion people to trade the crypto markets. Remember, we're a community here. We're here to help each other. That way we stop depending on the crooks, the bankers. I call them crooks because that's what they are. And I hate them. But anyways, I don't hate them, but they are crooks. That being said, like I said, I'm not going to get bullish Bitcoin until we break this 10.5 level right here. It seems like every time right here, for example, last month, we broke higher and then we had this massive reversal. And then we kept pulling lower and lower. So we just have to keep this in mind. I wouldn't do anything right now because I don't think risk to reward checks out. So I would stand aside in this particular pair. Maybe, once we pull lower to 8,900 or so, around the 23%, this 23% retracement, and then depending on what risk to reward says, I might do something. But so right now I kind of just want to stand still. If it was to drift lower to this 23% retracement, then I would wait and see, and then your stop loss should be the previous low. So what about here? So 8,800, a little bit higher than 8,800. But at the same time, the only reason why I don't like that setup too much is because you have the 200-day moving average creeping up. You also have this trend line from forever ago. So what, about a year that it's holding. So if you put your stop loss right here, I mean, I guess you could base it on a daily stop. That's how I do it, because you could see a retest of the 200-day moving average, so about 8,500 as it sits, and then a pullback. So that's kind of like what you need to think when you're placing a position. How much money can you lose? Because we all get excited of how much money we can make, but we never think of how much money can we lose. It's the only way you're going to get to the top in this game. So, oh, by the way, guys, just leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see this, the videos. I mean, on our private chat, we post every day the setups, what we see in the YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments below how often you guys want to see the videos. So, thanks again, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and pulverize that like button. Thanks.